Hi, good morning to all. So this is our channel Firjan. Today we discuss problem in physics. See, the wavelength of a photon and the de Broglie wavelength of an electron of mass m have same value. Show that energy of photon is 2 lambda mc by h times the kinetic energy of electron, where c and h have their usual meaning. So this is the problem. See here, first we can write wavelength of photon and the de Broglie wavelength of electron. First we can write de Broglie wavelength of an electron. De Broglie wavelength of an electron. De Broglie wavelength of an electron is lambda equal to h by mv. From this we can write v equal to velocity of an electron equal to h by lambda m lambda h by m lambda. See, we can write kinetic energy of electron, so that we can write half m v square. Here already we know velocity of an electron, so that is h by m lambda. Here we can write half m, velocity is h by m lambda whole square. We can write it. See, from that, see half m into h square by m square lambda square. See, 1 m cancel. What we get now here, half h square by m lambda square. That means h square by 2m lambda square. 2m lambda square. This is the kinetic energy of an electron. See, energy of an photon is energy of photon equal to hc by lambda. hc by lambda. See, energy of photon is hc by lambda. This we can take equation 1. This we can take equation 2. See, kinetic energy of electron by kinetic energy of proton. So that equal to, see here, h square by 2m lambda square by hc by lambda. So from that it we can write it is reciprocal na. See, h square by 2m lambda square into lambda by h. H cancel, lambda lambda cancel. What we can write now here, kinetic energy of electron by kinetic energy of proton equal to, see, h by 2m lambda 2m lambda lambda c. See, kinetic energy of proton, it will be changes to here, it changes to here. See, 2m hc, 2m lambda c by h into kinetic energy. See here, we can write this one, it will be changes to this side. See, kinetic energy of proton equal to 2m lambda c by h into kinetic energy of electron. So that means, see, kinetic energy of proton is 2m lambda c by h times kinetic energy of electron. This is the, we can show here. See, in this case, here c means speed of an electron and h means Planck's constant. H is Planck's constant. See again, the wavelength lambda of photon and the de Broglie wavelength of an electron of mass m have same value. So that energy of photon is 2 lambda mc by h times the kinetic energy of electron, where c and h have the usual meaning. For that we can write first, de Broglie wavelength of an electron is lambda equal to h by mv. V changes to this side, we can write v equal to h by m lambda. So means here v means velocity of an electron. See, Ke means kinetic energy of electron equal to half mv square. Half m, v means this value we can write here, h by m lambda whole square, h square by m square lambda square. See, kinetic energy of electron half h square by m lambda square. So h square by 2m lambda square. The kinetic energy of proton. So what is the formula? Na? hc by lambda. In this one, this by this or this by this we can take it. I take here kinetic energy of electron by kinetic energy of proton. So proton. So that is h square by 2m lambda square by hc by lambda. We can write now it will be changed to numerator and reciprocal lambda by hc. See lambda by hc, h cancel. So we have h by 2m lambda c. That only I write here. Kinetic energy of electron by kinetic energy of proton equal to h by 2m lambda c. It will be changes to this side and this changes to here. Kinetic energy of proton equal to 2m lambda c by h into kinetic energy of electron. So kinetic energy of proton equal to 2m lambda c by h into 2m lambda c by h times kinetic energy of electron. This only we can show. Here c means speed of an electron, as h means Planck's constant. Thank you.